How to draw a snail. Start with drawing a medium-sized circle for the shell. Then draw the body as shown. Draw a spiral shape inside the circle. Then draw 2 straight lines for the eyes. Draw the eyes. Then draw the mouth. Lastly, draw the details in the shell. And color the snail with crayon. Here is the finished drawing of the snail.